else can I do to you? All the time. I don't care. You have to be careful in this house. That was the same thing you said. You know you are very useless. You are a useless child. I've been telling you, you are very useless. You are very, very useless. Hold your tongue.
Hello, Baba. Good afternoon, sir. What has she done again?
Salute again. If you salute again, she's not the only child in this house. Can you believe? I sent Aduke to go and get the calorie. Aduke did not check the milk. Aduke brought the milk home. The milk was already expired. Ask her. Today, this morning, I was getting ready to come to church. I said this girl to go and get me toothpaste so I can brush my mouth. By the time she brought the toothpaste home, the toothpaste already expired.
Okay, that's okay. Baba, I came here to
You're a useless child. Idiot. Acting like a goat all the time. You're very stubborn. Idiot. Shut up your mouth.
Baba, it's okay. I will bring you another one. I'm even here for a very important. I'm here for a very important thing. Please, Baba. I need to have a discussion with you. Please, and it's very, very important. Please, let's sit down. Aduke, Baba, please spare me. Baba, please spare me. Let her come and join us in the conversation because she will learn too. Aduke, get up. Yes, get up. Get up. Let us sit down.
Thank you. Daddy, can I stand up? And get up, idiot. Get up. Put it on leg. Thank you, idiot.
Baba, I've been telling you, stop calling these girls names like idiots, stupid, goats, because you are an authority in the life of this child.
Really?
And whatever you say will have impact in her life, later in life. She will continue to behave like a goat.
No, sir.
She will continue